this coincidence. Twist the one to make you smile. The icing on the cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we can find some space. I could be the one to you. It's your sentimental kind of chemistry. Some people make it hard with me, it isn't the case. 'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come pick up your call and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix-up. It's so easy to fall in love with the way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way I like to share. I walk in Central Park, I can be fresh air, might be the boy of a dream. There's no need to hide if you're into me, 'cause I'm into you quite intimately. And maybe one night could turn into three. Well, I'm kinda sick 'cause I made it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix-up. It's so easy. Sing. Say your messages. What? Sing. Sing anything. It's so easy. It's so easy. Yeah. So I can make it easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix-up. Saturday night of the rest of your life, and one with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with me. Love you guys. Thank you to my backup dancers. This is Tad from New Eat. A round of applause. And this is, what's your name again? Thank you. It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yeah. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. When I'm stuck in the desert, you're the time I take in my necklace. Sunshine on my life. I just want see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? Play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on the Jupiter and Mars. Another word, hold my hand. Another word, baby kiss me. Feel my heart beats on, and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. I'll hold the door, please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch. I've been dreaming way too much. Can you just turn this into reality? 'Cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you can save me from this crazy world we live in. I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. Storms they will come, but I know that the sun will shine again. He's my friend, and he says that we belong together. And I sing a song just as far from you as far. It is not me being right, but this is real tonight. 'Cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you can save me from this crazy world we live in. I know we can happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. I know you want me, and there's no other love that I'd rather have, you know. There ain't no one else. Want you for myself. I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you can save me from this crazy world we live in. I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you could save me
question is, ano yung preparation nyo bago siya i-record or ano yung naging discussion about it?
When we first heard the demo for Pahinga, of course, una naming naramdaman is hindi pa namin siya nagagawang genre. Kasi it's kind of like a ballad na may pagka-trap-ish. So, when I heard the demo, I immediately told my members, guys, parang maganda tong kantang to do it. And of course, we're so honored to Sab, who made the song. And she really thought of us, Horizon. Of course, kasi ang daming groups na pwedeng gumawa at magbigay ng buhay for Pahinga. But they chose Horizon to do it. So we're very honored. It's our first ever soundtrack. And it's for an MMFF entry. So the film will be released kailan?
December 25.
Yes, like all MMFF entries. It's a movie about... Pwede ko ba i-spoil yun? Hindi.
Yes, may trailer na.
Nasa trailer, yeah. So nawalan sila ng internet. Hanggang dun lang. Yeah.
Isa sa tatlong movie nila, di ba? Parang pre-films yun eh.
A trilogy?
It is?
Yes.
Oh my. Educated.
Actually, nabitin kayo sa Pahinga, di ba? Nakakabitin talaga.
We recorded it in one night lang.
One night lang.
One of our shortest recording sessions.
Iba talaga yung Horizon. Kumakaya ng one night. Ayan.
Kasi yung iba naming songs like, ano yung mga mahihirap natin?
Ano yung pinakamatagal yung na-record na song? 16.
Death or Paradise.
Death or Paradise.
Death or Paradise, like a bitch.
Ano yun?
Solo song.
Like a fish. Okay na ba yung Dre? Nasagot na ba Dre yung question?
Meron kaming unreleased song. 12 hours namin siyang nirecord.
Unreleased. 12 hours ni-record yung song na yun. Tagalog, English.
English, Korean eh.
English, Korean.
Kung magno-no phones ba kami, mag-hit ba kayo? About it. Mag-aalis sila ng recording saglit. Would you hint about it? Yung unreleased na 12 hours.
Bawal yun.
Bawal lang.
Bawal may legal procedures.
Oo, bawal. May NDA. Ayan. Sorry po. Pero walang clue.
Gusto mo ipakita, ito na lang, clue for our GBL Fest performance. Magbigay ka ng isang step.
Ayan. Ayan.
Let's go, Giro.
Ang ating dance machine.
Okay. Giro wish. Okay, walang video. Akala mo lang.
Walang video.